mi ascoltava, parlava la sua casa.
It's the life of Europe. You know, it's you.
What he did is like.
This is Caritas in Cremona. And brother, nothing did this life. When I saw you, this guy just still suffer, she just still die. So for camp, for Caritas. One of our brother, one of our Nigeria brother, they just the praise dancing, so they sick, so those who are almost going to 7 months now. So no, it's you know, person just they die for Italy. So one of our brother for Cremona from Milan side, so they sick, so those who are, you know, it's you. So I don't understand. This is the man here, the Don. This is the new Don they bring come. I come with the worst things for us. Just the push our brother, the enter our camp when we did before, and no stress. So this is when they just carry this Don come, just they use the suffer Nigeria people anyhow. Can't go do gates, do many things for the house. Now only God just know. Now only God just know whether this guy is the press and dance since. The press and dance since. The press and dance since. They even say me no video. Even they rush me. They want collect food for me. They say me no video. I don't agree. So me and see with the Nigeria person they suffer for Europe. No easy. Now person like us they die so. A person like us they die so for Caritas. You see I'm so. You don't see the end of Europe. Now this one, this guy come give for the Europe now. See,
now woman be the rap so.
Woman be the rap so.
Oh, for that see life. Where would they live for you?
So just because of Europe.
See life. Where would they live for you?
Ma per favore, rispetto per oggi. Rispetto per oggi.
Say they won't call police because of the video there. See we still. You see, now so they did do. See the life. That person just died so. All the name of Europe. So, you now look well. Don't carry.
Now they kill this man.
My hand with the shake when I tell you. Oh wow.
They don't do this, they don't do anything. Don't die here. They don't die here. Upon the go.
Make the video. You know the same video.
So, person just die, so you can't be like house. The person die, so when become Europe, when get family, get everybody from house. Then just die, so they sick. So those who are now because of hustle, what they do farm work. Now the guy in a camp he deal, they never give a document. almost going to 3 years to 4 years now. I did Europe. So at the end of the day, now I still die. So I don't just know. So now they rap and so. So now this one they call police now. One call police come. This one now one call police come. And I know all of them. They be evil people. You see, now this one when they all the make gadu gadu. No, now job with it. No. So.
Ask me now, what is this one they call police for now?
Huh? Police is the call, so.
Now you go the call, not because of police.
You see, they say Nigeria no problem. Now they don't drop this guy blood. Now so blood. Brother, I'm dry. This I'm dry. Get it do. This I'm dry. Get it do.
Police is the call, so.
If you don't even take time now, and I will just beat for you now, safe. All those people, eh? This guy just died. You
believe say this guy don't die?
This guy don't die. Whether I believe, you know, you know, we say this guy no even get blood for body again. Gold.
This man come from hospital. Doctor said they go to eat kitchen food.
You know here what the doctor tell us now. The person they give him money every day by day.
I swear to God, me not feel even talk again because the thing don't shock me. I don't feel talk. My myself, I don't feel talk again. As in, first they think I don't understand. I don't know what I want to think again now because what I just see for this Europe self, the thing don't even tire me self. Shit. Now here the man just fall because the man not even wait, so that's why. They will say for they can't give him one chair, wait sit down for you. You don't see the camp, see how the camp can't even be. See the life of Europe. Now camp with this one. Show now see how they need so for now so now here many people now they Nigeria they disturb their parents, they disturb their father, they disturb their brother, they disturb everybody. So you now see the suffer. Now see now here they live, they survive, so that's why. Why person not go do this campaign, not go even sick? Show now see everywhere. God.
But I know they drop of black again like this.
The Fed draw this guy blood there. Oh. You want to spoil this score? Wait, they sick. They don't carry your blood. How many times they draw your blood? Talk. You don't even see whether you don't wear now, so you never even know. I don't want to touch you again. Maybe they go. You know. I go. My brother, what we did this camp? This camp not do like this, so.
Drop every blood.
Since when don't just come up for this camp, everywhere just change. Oh God. They just suffer our brother for a year. Now this year, this thing just start now. Wow. She suffer for you.
Blood not be blood, chest not be there.
Frank Alpha now.
If now not be the body, not be.
Now that guy, that man won't come on in. Ojo. My brother, both your brother, David toilet you away now. Me wash and buy card cash away now. So when it's a make travel to them, me all have it now. So me all buy me also can help me down because already me raise some hand around me. I say buy me down me mujahidi. So me help me down me all David G, those guys in a jail. I mean already one guy will buy yo this guy don't dig bear. I mean already me don't be saying I carry this guy na road or this guy just dig ground. So the next thing they would find the dawn answer, they don't see dawn the couple of the camp, they don't see. And I go and the dawn don't have to go and le Frank. Abrams yourself, Abrams yourself, I say take it 10 minutes. This guy now, just a robot more. So the next thing, Abrams ready over now. The guy don't ready to go because the guy don't think we don't take for hospital. Well, I don't really know moderate hospital. If we are dying now, only farm work will be doing no alumni. No, don't worry about your brother. Only farm work in need boy brother. Sheva ye hungry farm work, not survive. Maybe person survive, we go they do hard labor. At the end of the day, now don't come out, Bobby, I used to be. Bobby, no, that guy don't go. That brother, that boy, that man. That man went short when they did that center room now. Don't come on to the thing whip me now. You should see how the criminal side continue to suffer immigrant now for years now for Caritas. They just changed recently. When we did that time, they know they suffer us like this. So they don't now self, and when the guy will force self now they don't. They first define, they stay calm. It's when they just put them for they just change them for camp now and also suffer, they suffer black. The people see don't do gate back and front. Come like say now cage the cage thing. Just the cage thing like animal. So they don't even let sometimes now self and person don't even take they'll say you don't take for you, they don't know how because this don't when really come, they don't know anybody. They will just pursue the person come out. If you just do anyhow, you call police for you. The man has also police just because now this one be the Christian, when we say now this one go make the connection with they come on the first down when we say if they make black they happy for the city. So now then go gather for the gate side. So the guy really touched me. God. Nothing. What do you want? They want to do. What do you want to? Now you know now your people. Now your Nigerian people are still do live video for. I'm not doing for you go. May they see what they happen. You see the camp. Since when the dawn just come on, everywhere just change totally. See everywhere. See life. You see where people even they sleep. They shit, they do everything, they brush teeth, you see, and they still use them. See pots, all those ones later now they'll still use them to take care. The thing, God, see camp. Zito, you know now when don't did this camp that time when we did, this like this not they happen now. you know now, things like this not they happen. Since when don't just promote now everything just get abused. Now this one be the done when every day now. Now your pass so now this one be the done when just say oh they just bring old bank and when just they keep Nigeria people. They just they disturb all the old black for you. Especially Nigeria, now just they root for where. Many people just stay here now, they spend 4 years, 5 years, no document. And since when this majority will come, they just they pursue the people when they say they feel they sleep for the height for inside the compound. So the thing with me. Now they dump this one. Now they dump this one. Just now see the life. Congo, that man don't go. That was Zombo when he did that center room. That man don't come out. That black people man when he shot. He don't die this morning. See the dawn. Maybe this one. Now the man be this one. Very wicked man.
Posso parlare un minuto? Allora, Obi sapeva.
May we hear what you want to talk now.
Posso parlare un minuto? Posso parlare un minuto?
Sì, sì, parla.
Posso parlare un minuto? Sì, parlare. Non vuole? Non va bene? Allora. Spegni. Allora. Obi era in ospedale. Ha chiamato me perché ha voluto uscire, ma lui sapeva che stava morendo. Lui sapeva che era gravissimo. Io gli ho detto, torna dalla tua famiglia, ti pago il biglietto, chiedo io a questura permesso speciale per tornare.
I don't even know why the guy don't even go Africa. So. He was sick for many years. They don't even go. You know, even for many months. They don't even go Africa. But you don't even go Africa. You don't even get body again to even go Africa again. First, you want to go carry sickness. Come for us, bro. Want to go distress people in the house.
Purtroppo le malattie ci sono. Obi aveva malattia gravissima. Perché voglio vedere la tua famiglia, ti pago il biglietto, vai con la tua casa.
Never deal with him.
Sapevo io, ma sapeva anche lui.
I don't just know. I don't just think I'll be your believer.
Allora, questo è colpa di...
Bro, maybe if I leave this in cafe, you don't hear what they happen. Carry your problem, go that side first. You know they hear what they happen. So now person dies, so they go they ask me that.
Un bambino di 7 anni. Allora, un bambino di 7 anni. Un figlio di 7 anni è morto. È colpa di... Perché... Oh! Ma perché fa così? Ma perché fai così? Ma perché fai così?
You don't even know.
Ma perché? Perché fai così?
Look at...
Ma perché fai così? Ma perché fai così? Oh, perché fai così? Io ho parlato con calma, ho spiegato. Perché fai così?
I wish I could put that in video during this course.
Allora, io non ho chiamato io ho chiamato ambulanza. Io ho chiamato ambulanza.
Document when this guy not get now, they want to document for her now. As they want bury another, they'll do document. Document when the guy not get to when he say get niggas to destroy this right now. Make them come, make the police even come, make them come. Make them come here. Make them come, make them come. What they worry themselves? Make them come. Everybody go come on, everybody come on. What's up with the pity say make they our brother, make them not go cool, make them not go cool. What's up with the shut up? Let everybody go, make them know everybody just go. Why do they suffer person like this? For a person who they come for 4 years, 3 years, they don't give a document. Why? 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 No, they're not come here. 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 Men they don't climb up. Men they don't just climb up. Men they don't just. Men if they climb up, things go worse too. Men they don't climb up. Men they don't climb up. If they climb up, if they climb up. If person die, they don't get feeling.
Put on the shoot gun for that side. Put on the shoot gun. They come. God punish all of you. Useless whites, useless Italians, useless whites.
Very racist people.
Fucking racist. Fucking racist.
Cristiano, whatever.
Fucking racist people.
That Cristiano, bad person.
God punish you.
Document and not go give person. Don't they?
God punish all of you. Fuck Uno Italian. Fuck Uno.
They don't give up man. What did they not give for? How about
Even the police don't come, they don't go enter. If they try and enter this up, all the old tools when we hide that here, we know where for hide down.
You don't come out today.
They're not prepared. You don't prepare this document.
These people know say this man knows.
Yes. They're not prepared this document. Down.
Somebody say if I hear you can't go Africa. Why not Africa?
Why not go Africa? Why you not going to say Africa?
You see police just the park become. Sure now they see police for there. I be no they see them. Nah, near them. I don't want to near them. They just they don't go wear me. They say all of the evil people. See them. I want to reach down for them. Oh.
If police go inside, it's a bad problem for everyone. Please explain to them to shut up. So, try. Sorry, I only ask you to try if you can try. Because if they decide to go inside, after it's a bad situation. Because it's not possible that inside everybody.
But do you know all the black they are suffering this stuff? The place they sleep, the place they live is not good for the black. You know. But do you know you can't split this up?
Okay.
Do you know that?
I explain.
You can explain
You can decide for me.
This is not good for what the Italian people are doing black. Everybody we have the same color, we have the same everything. We are living, you have blood. You have blood in your body.
This situation, what changed?
What changed? But people like they are maybe sometimes now another person will change to get in the car. But the place they sleep is not good for them.
I only say is that what we have to do now. What we have to do now. If you want to change the situation, we have to change.
Okay, you change this situation.
No. In this case, this is the end. Because this camp is only for the first emergency. It's not a camp.
First emergency. Okay, it's contract, something like.
It's not the place to stay.
Okay, it's a contract. I know it's a contract, but many of them they don't have documents. They have some. My brother.
If the big problem became bigger, it's not good. I want to explain this. I don't try it.
But can you follow me to climb up so that you will see where this guy fell down this morning?
that will help from us.
But that place, that man is living, it's not good. That man is not feeling fine, and that man is not eating well. Yeah?
I don't know.
You don't know. But you are in this camp since when I come. Do you remember when you take? You are the one that bring me this camp. You are the one that bring me this camp. Do you remember?
But I remember. That
You remember?
how many years?
How many years?
How many years?
It's 4 years. No, almost going to 5
After
years.
1 year, 2 years, you have to change.
Have to
Not stay in the same place.
Not to stay in the same place.
Of course.
But you don't even need something to for me to have documents.
But you receive documents.
I don't have documents. Do you know that? What did I do? Did I fight since when I got this country?
It's not mine. It's not my job to give you document.
It's not your job. But you are the one that bring me this camp.
Because the police asked us to bring you here.
But
This is the mechanism.
people, they don't have documents. Some have, some don't have. But the ones that don't have documents, what do you want them to do? Do you think that one first?
If you don't receive
If me have document, I can decide to leave today. Do you know that?
you have document.
I don't have. If I have document, I decide to leave this camp today.
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 Until,
If I have document.
until when?
Until when? If you make control for me to have document now, I will not come this camp.
But it's not possible to give a document to everyone.
Because if I don't have document, I can't leave this place.
It's not this the solution. The solution is not that if you don't receive document, you don't go out. You have to change another solution.
Another solution.
Of course.
So
The world is
what
not
is the
finished
solution?
without.
You know, without document, no other solution is come.
If you know something about Italy, you know something about Italy. If you don't receive document today, if you don't receive document tomorrow, if you don't receive a document after tomorrow, two solutions. Or you come back, or you wait in a different place, because maybe after 5 years, Italy give the sanatoria. You understand what is sanatoria?
No, I don't understand sanatoria. I don't understand.
It's a mechanism because Italy, after 5 years, 10 years, see that we have 1 million people inside country without documents, and open a new window to receive documents. It's a different place. Don't stay here.
I want to beg you for one thing, just for today. You know, we see every day, I greet you every time about. I used to cut hair here. You know, since when I come this camp. Do you know? Can you just make something good to us? Do you know one day somebody will die? It's one day maybe you will just drive a car, you will not come back. That's just it. The life is just a minute. Just try to change this place. I know you can do it. Me know you can do it.
I try to change this place, but I see different stop. I
Try to make something documentable for everyone.
In my job, I try to change in good this camp, but I receive only.
Okay, now many people they are sleeping here. I know sometimes they used to fight in this place, but it's not good. Me no, it's not good. It's not good.
I get it.
But since when this new dawn, it makes things to change for our blood. Number one, this man just started putting gate for every day, camera everywhere. We are not an animal. Something like, are we in this? I don't understand this company anymore. I'm big 5 years in this community. Do you know I witnessed everywhere? I don't talk. I'm not supposed to be in this, I'm supposed to be on my own. But you guys will not give person documents to look for job to do, look for something. It's not good.
It's not.
I know you can do it. You are the one that take me to this. That first question, the day I come this country, I complete the first day.
We can decide.
You can't decide for Christopher.
No, it's different. In your country, you decide for your voice.
I tell them my story. You ask everyone his story.
Yeah, oh brother.
You say real life.
You real life, brother. Now he will generally want to now. Or else a bonny boy. My brother, no, really, Christian is a bad person. Or is not, brother?
You could call the police.
For my that's my mother running camp now. For almost going to 4 years, me running camp now. Or is it maybe that my mother tan more? Me real life now. Me dey call it bro. Now that bro, see where they live. See, me video am again. First now. Now live video. Who your name for here? Who your name for here?
Okay, my Facebook name.
See where the brush. See us everywhere. Now those photos people on that here. See the toilet. See everywhere. See where people they live. It's when they just change that man when they cut down. That one so now they know. They're not fit talk. They're not fit talk. Make they climb, but make they see where they sleep. They're not fit talk. May I ask them whether they fit sleep here? May I ask them now? If police climb, but we go sleep this night with me today for here. Maybe sleep here. They don't climb up. Me not the tour. Just they watch them. What if we want to go? Those people, they're too wicked. Fuck off. We stand with the time and say, you won't go rush me, go complete me when me come this camp. You don't know what you use me do. You say na contract, the contract don't finish.
You know, video everything.
I they do live video, never caught. See where the man, may I go open door. See where the man they sleep. Now here, see Marison when the man they give the man. See where people they sleep. See camp. If person me now, so every day now, not they breathe well. See. You vote people. Now I love people and I see people when they say if they chop you, no go no. They will just they pet you down. Italo people, they wicked. They wicked where. Fifth, say they go handcuff the dumper. Egbe wa ki lọ me go egbe lọ me. What food you chop? Which food you chop? No, not talk now. Maybe I change this door. Since when this door come, I don't see how this can come. I Let's see.
You know they be like that for Nigeria. You know, hospital, first you go hospital, even first you do operation.